What's up guys, my name is Josh and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be explaining how to do Stoke, a little trailer which you just saw. Let's get into the tutorial right now. Alright guys, so I'm going to try my best to give you an angle from both sides, but anyway, let's go ahead and get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the deck and hold it with your 3 fingers right here, or you can also use the 2 middle finger and the ring finger, or you can use the first 2 fingers. My preference is I like to use all 3 fingers when I do it, so that way the change looks as clean as possible. That was kind of a flashy change there. You kind of see that. Anyway, so what you're going to do first is basically you're just going to want to hold it like this. As I said, my preference, and then the thumb on the bottom, my preference is like this, with this finger just hanging on the corner there. And so there we go. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the deck right here. Alright, it's just below the first finger. We're going to have our hand out like this and set the deck right here. We're not going to let go of it with his hand. We're just going to set it here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to push the deck up, but you're going to leave 1 card here. And I mean, this isn't really a hard move. It might seem hard, but if you got a deck of cards right now, and if you're trying to do this is really easy, alright? So again, all you're going to do is put it here, and you're just going to push, just leave 1 card right there, right? It's a very easy move. Now from here, you should be able to show the spectator 1 card. And then the other card is right here. It's flashing. That's why I said you need kind of big hands. Let's go ahead and go to a frontal view now that we know how to do this. So once again, all you're going to do is simply push up like that. All right, just like that. And now you're going to hold it like this, and I'll come around to a lot more of a frontal view for the next step. All right, guys. So the next move from here is what we're going to do is again slide that card down from the first finger. Once you have it here, the angle that you want to potentially get. Alright, so once you have this angle, the angle that you, or once you have this down, where you're just simply leaving 1 card hidden, and it should just be like this. Again, set it in this, right under that the line of the first finger. Go, if you made an imaginary line right there, set the top of the deck there. We're just going to push up from there. Now our thumb is going to hold this, and if you're holding at a correct angle, you should be able to hold it correctly without seeing this bottom card right here. So if you hold it like this, and then all you gotta do is let go with your hand, and your thumb will automatically come up and change the card. Right? It takes a little bit of time. It takes a little bit of time to work around with and everything, but otherwise this is a really fast, really easy color change. Right? Again, you want to have the correct angle. You want to have the correct angle on that on your hand. Make sure you're not holding it straight up. Make sure you're not holding it back or like this. That'd be kind of weird. You want to hold it more of an angle like so more like that. All right. So again, you set it in, push it up, hold it at this type of angle where they can just see the this top of the card. You don't want to outstretch it all the way. All right. Don't outstretch it all the way, because then it'd be kind of hard to hold your hand here. Just about half away, where there's only about half of the card that you pushed up. Alright, now from here, all you have to do is just simply push and release with your hand at the same time. And if you do these, if you combine the motions, you won't get what just happened, what you just saw. You won't get this weird, where the card is like that. You're actually going to get a more something like that.